Step 3.
Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how to change the caption size on YouTube using an Android device. YouTube captions are an essential part of the viewing experience, and sometimes the default size may not work for everyone. So let's get started with the steps to change the caption size on YouTube. Step 1. Tap on your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu of options. Step 2. Next, tap on Settings. This will take you to the YouTube settings page. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Captions. Here, you will find all the settings related to captions. Step 4. Tap on Caption Size and Style. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust the size and font of the captions. Step 5. You can now select your preferred caption size and font from the options available on the screen. You can choose from small, medium, large, and extra large sizes. You can also choose a font style that suits your preference. Step 6. Once you've made your selection, tap on the back arrow to return to the caption screen. And that's it. You have successfully changed the caption size on YouTube using your Android device. It's important to note that these settings will apply to all the videos you watch on YouTube. However, some videos may not have captions available, and therefore the settings won't apply. In conclusion, changing the caption size on YouTube using an Android device is a straightforward process that can make a significant difference in your viewing experience. By following these simple steps, you can customize the captions to your liking and make them more comfortable to read. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you found this information helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this.